Damn it.
This shit! It's glorious nutty shit! This shit is some great wonderful shit! It's so thick and great! It's chock full of nuts! Other than the feeling of shit on my teeth. Nuts are my second favourite thing in life. So I eat this shit with these nuts in it. Even though it's burnt, I like my shit a little burnt. I enjoy the feeling of the shit against my teeth. I have teeth for eating shit. I eat shit daily. But this shit is great shit. I love this shit. It feels so wonderful against the teeth. It does wonders for the body. I feel great right now because I'm eating this wonderful chocolatey shit. It's so chocolatey and brown. I just love it. Oh my god, this shit is amazing.